Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to use the Surface Offset tool in Inventor Fusion. This is used to offset surfaces and faces of solids. I've got a solid in the graphic area. Let's begin by activating the Surface Offset tool. The first step is to select the surface to offset. On the left side of the ribbon, we can input the offset value, and here for Creation option, we can choose New Surface or New Component. We're just going to grab the handle and drag it in the graphic area. As you see, all of the faces of my solid are offset as well. Let's click OK. Now I'm going to activate the Unstitch tool. I'll select this surface and click OK. Let's create another surface offset. I'll select this surface and drag the handle. While a planar surface can be offset any distance, a more complex surface will give you an error message at some point while you're dragging the handle. Let's try it out. And here's our error message. Let's click on it to open it up. The surface operation failed, maybe because too big an offset value. Let's make some adjustments and click OK. And this concludes our tutorial about the Surface Offset tool in Inventor Fusion.